Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Sakhan, welcoming you to our English second paper class. Dear viewers, I think you have already got your syllabus for English second paper, and in that syllabus you have got that there were an item named right form of verb. And today I am going to discuss about the basic or fundamental rules for right form of verb. For that, I have written a topic name as a tense. All of you know the definition of tense and activities of tense. You know that the activities of tense is nothing but with the verb. That means tense is the function of verb. So we can say that tense is the timer of a verb. Dear viewers, we can't solve our item or we can't complete our right form verb without getting a perfect knowledge of tense. So then, today I am going to discuss from right form verb and structures of tenses. Dear viewers, we are going to discuss about the structures of various kinds of tenses. First of all, I have written present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Dear viewers, you can see that the structure is subject plus verb 1 plus object. Subject plus verb 1 plus object. For that, I have given an example. I play football. Here is the subject is I, and verb 1, that means present form of verb is play, and object is football. So the sentence stands I play football, which follows the structure of present indefinite tense. Subject plus verb 1 plus object. Next one is present continuous tense. And the structure is subject plus add is are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Subject plus add oblique is oblique are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. And the example is I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. Here you can see the subject is I and the auxiliary verb is am. Present form verb is write, and we have used ing with the verb write, and object is a letter. Then the sentence stands or the sentence sounds like that. I am writing a letter. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. The structure is subject plus have oblique has plus verb 3. That means the past participle form of verb plus object. An example, I have selected an example for that. I have taken my breakfast. I have taken my breakfast. Subject is I, have oblique has, I have used have. As there is first person, we use has only in third person singular number. You have to remind it. Take my breakfast. Then we have used past participle form of verb. Then object is my breakfast. Okay. Next one is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus have been oblique has been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Example: I have been waiting for you for 2 hours. I have been waiting for you for 2 hours. Okay? Here the subject is I and auxiliary verb is have been. Present form of verb is wait, and I have used ing as in this present perfect continuous tense. I have been waiting for you for 2 hours. Object is for 2 hours, or extension is for you for 2 hours. These are the example of present tenses and their structures. We also need the structures of past and future tenses also. So I am going to give you that structures. Please write it down, and you have to remind it in every step of grammatical items. And without the structures of right form verb, without the structures of tenses, you can't do a single sentence of right form verb. Okay? Okay, let's start. If there is past, now come to the topics of past tenses. Past indefinite, subject plus verb 2 plus object. If there is past indefinite tense, we should follow the structures like this: subject plus verb 2 plus object, subject plus verb 2 plus object. And for that we have to change the form of verb like this: I played football. Subject plus verb 2 plus object. If the subject is I and the verb 2, that is past form of verb, is played, and object is football. So the structure of past indefinite tense is subject plus verb 2 plus object. Subject plus verb 2 plus object. Present continuous, if there is past continuous, as we are talking about past tenses now, we can change it like this: past continuous. Was oblique were. If the tense is past continuous, then we should use the structure like this: subject plus was oblique were plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. And then the example might change like this: I was waiting, I was writing a letter. I was writing a letter. Past continuous, subject plus was were plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Example: